Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? Happy merge day, everybody. Looks like we have just successfully merged in Ethereum, so that is good. A little bit earlier than normal because I was up early to witness that monumental event. So yeah, that all being said, we shall go straight over to those Bitcoin 4-hour charts. So yes, Bitcoin on the 4-hour currently holding our area, our level of support. Did wick down pretty much to the absolute bottom of it, but managed to bounce there, and are now trying to move away from this area of support back into this range where hopefully we can find our way back to the top of the range and see if we can break through and then make this a higher low relative to this low down here. Obviously we're getting a bit of helping hand from the stock market, which was looking pretty bad yesterday, looking like it was going to take another leg down. However, it has bounced back again into the underside of its resistance, so not the best read, not as good as Bitcoin is looking. S&P needs to get through this resistance, so basically over pretty much 4,000, call it, and then this can hopefully start to make a bit of progress to the upside. Obviously we do have the DXY not really helping us out here at all, and the 10-year also looking pretty scary up there as well. So we're clearly in a liquidity issue. Crash high alert zone for stock markets with these moving. I mean, if this 10-year takes a sharp leg to the upside, or the DXY takes another sharp leg to the upside like this one here, back above these highs, then yeah, it's gonna look pretty dire. So we shall have to see what happens. Oil at the underside of this resistance here. What else do we look at? Ethereum Satoshi pairing, a 0.08 handle, good to see. Hopefully this will start to make some progress now that people can start to appreciate the fact the merge has happened, that we are now proof of stake, not proof of work. It is funny, isn't it, how all the Bitcoiners, the Bitcoin maxes forever have just been like, Ethereum's a shitcoin, Ethereum is thingy, it's a security, like please authorities do something, they're stealing our thunder, sort of thing. And then obviously now that we are proof of stake, why don't we start saying, oh well, let's get rid of mining's bad, come on, we need to get rid of mining. Yeah, Bitcoin, you're done. Yeah, should we start doing that now? Should we start attacking or basically attacking Bitcoin just because we can? I don't know what will happen, but yeah, basically Bitcoin maxes are practically a cult at this point, and they're basically idiots. So yeah, obviously lots of people in crypto like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like other altcoins, and other technologies, but yeah, Bitcoin maxes are a special breed of clowns, basically. They're just people that got in early into Bitcoin, made their gains, and now don't want anyone else to make any gains. Basically, don't want the industry to progress. Think they're the best with their diminishing security budget. And yeah, ultimately, they are the Yahoo of crypto. Ethereum is clearly the Google of crypto. So there we go. Ran over. What else should we look at here? The Ethereum USD pairing. Supported by this obviously support level down here, as we can see. So now if it can take out this resistance area and take out these recent highs, it won't be a bad looking uptrend forming. So yeah, we've got that to hopefully happen. I do think all things being equal, Ethereum does warrant a repricing. So even if Bitcoin and other risk assets are going down, it means Ethereum can maybe not go down as much, or if their risk assets stay the same, then Ethereum can go up against them staying the same. Or obviously the third option is if risk assets are going up, Ethereum can go up more. I do think Ethereum deserves a repricing here. But yeah, let's look at stochastics then. 4-hour turning up from a very low level here. 10-hour turn up from low level. No, we look at 10-hour. 12-hour diving though. Daily turning down from a high level, not looking ideal. 2-day looking good here though. 2-day is looking good and is going to be approaching the bullish zone as well. 3-day pointing upwards, which is what we want to see. 5-day is still pointing down here, so that isn't ideal, along with weekly. And bi-weekly, not quite decided what it wanted to do, but it is at a low level, so ultimately it is going to be able to make a move to the upside at some point, depending on what price level that comes from. So yeah, overall pretty much a mixed read. I guess we are just waiting to see whether but pretty much what we're waiting to see is what happens with this DXY in this 10-year, because if they're going to take another leg up, which they potentially look like they're poised to, then that is going to coincide with another leg down in stock markets, potentially just down to this 3700 level, which won't be ideal. So yeah, that is it, guys. Again, happy merge day, everybody. Thanks for listening. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I shall speak to you guys soon.